Tired of rejections? Finally, here's your secret weapon for crushing the Toptal Frontend developer screening and landing those high-paying freelance gigs. First things first, understand the beast. Toptal's Frontend screening is a gauntlet testing your core skills. This video will guide you through each essential step. Phase 1, the skills assessment. This is your initial hurdle. Expect tests on JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and possibly some basic design principles. Brush up on fundamentals. Variables, data types, basic syntax, and DOM manipulation are key. Review your core fundamental technologies. Be prepared to build simple websites or interactive elements. Practicing your understanding of these is critical for success. If you're a framework user, React, Angular, or Vue.js, you must have deep understanding of these frameworks. A solid understanding will boost your odds. Next, practice. This is where the magic happens. Look up coding challenges for all skills assessments. Platforms like HackerRank, LeetCode, and CodeWars are your best friends. Focus on the skills assessments. They may test data manipulation, debugging, and basic understanding of core concepts. Practice problem solving. Practice makes perfect. Remember, thorough preparation is the name of the game. Consistent practice, a solid grasp of core technologies, and the ability to problem solve will set you apart. Good luck, and get ready to become a Toptal Frontend developer. Hit that like button and subscribe for more tips.